Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add Hulu to your Amazon Fire Stick so you can enjoy all your favorite shows and movies in just a few simple steps. Follow along carefully to get started. Step 1. Turn on your Fire Stick and make sure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A good internet connection is important for smooth streaming. Step 2. From the Fire Stick home screen, go to the search icon at the top left corner. It looks like a magnifying glass. Step 3. Type Hulu into the search bar using the on-screen keyboard. Select the official Hulu app from the search results to make sure you're downloading the correct version. Step 4. Click on Get or Download to install the Hulu app on your Fire Stick. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Once the app is installed, go back to the home screen and navigate to Your Apps and Channels. You will see the Hulu icon there. Step 6. Open the Hulu app by selecting it. You'll be prompted to log in with your Hulu account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly from the app in just a few steps. Step 7. After logging in, browse through Hulu's library and choose your favorite movies or TV shows to start streaming. You can also use the search function inside the app to find content quickly. Step 8. To make Hulu easier to access in the future, highlight the app icon, press the menu button on your Fire Stick remote, and select Move to Front. This way, Hulu will appear on your home screen for one-click access. And that's it. You now have Hulu installed on your Fire Stick and ready to stream anytime you want. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.